Mid-flight
Mayday,
emergency.
mayday, 5 November, Lukla Tower. I hit a bird and I've lost my engine completely. I have no thrust right now and I need to land. I'm just above you. Can you clear the runway for me?
Roger, do you want to left turn into the airport right now?
I don't want to stall here. I can see the runway clear right now, but is it clear? Can you clear it for me?
You can have any runway you like, keeping you wide there if you want to go into the west runways, or I can take you up to the north and take you to the south runways. It's really your call.
Okay. I will be there in about a minute. I'm doing a little circle here.
We have one able souls on board.
One on board only. Also, I have a GoPro camera on. Oh shit! Mayday, mayday, mayday! Sorry, I can't make it. I'm landing on a field.
Maybe you want to straight into runway 7?
Negative. I am not making it to the runway. I can't make it. I'm gonna do a field instead. Look at the tower. I'm on the ground. I'm safe. Need some help though here.